Welcome back to the Cowboys Customs YouTube channel. We got this 2021 Chevy RST with a full-blown lift kit wheel and tire package with some side steps. Let's go outside and check it out. Yo! All right, so we have here this 2021 Chevy Silverado, the RST edition. I love the way the front end looks. It looks like a stormtrooper truck. The white with the black accents just looks very nice. What we did on this truck is the most common lift kit on these trucks, which is a 6-inch rough country lift kit. This kit does only have the strut extensions. It does not have the full strut, but you can get it either way. This is going to be the most common package on these Chevy Silverados. Also for the GMC Sierras, you'll be able to fit some 20x10 wheels with some nice 35-inch tires. Basically what we did is here, if you look down underneath, you can see the cross member, which is going to be through rough country. And this is a 4x4 truck, so it does come with the drop-down brackets for your front differential. So we got the fuel sledge 20x10s wrapped in the Neoterra Neromax RT, which is a perfect hybrid tire, so you can keep that smooth ride on the road, but of course keep some of that aggressive look. And of course, to help you get in this truck, now that's lifted 6 inches, we got the Weston oval steps, and this right here just basically helps you hop in and out, just like that. No more hopping, you can get to stepping, which is always better. Overall, this truck came out very nice. This is something that we could do in one-day turnaround here at Cowboys Customs. This is a 4x4 kit, so with the full rough country package, it does come with the drop-down brackets for your front differential to be able to keep all those angles the way you want it. Now with the 20x10s and 35-inch tires, it is perfect the way it's set up to where there's absolutely no rubbing when you're driving. And like I said, this is the ideal setup. If we're not going too crazy high, or of course just not staying factory, this is a perfect middle at 6-inch. For those who have watched one of our last videos, y'all know I daily drive a GMC Sierra AT4. This is a stock truck with just some upgraded tires. So I got some 285/70 18s with some 18 fuel Rebels. So let's see how that compares to basically a 6-inch with some 35-inch tires. Let's see, go for a test drive and see how it feels. All right, so let's see how this truck with the 6-inch rough country kit does on the road. Right off the bat, I'll tell you, it feels smoother than a lot of people imagine. And I tell you what helps is having these RT tires. Now, when you're doing these lift kits, all you're doing is really just extending everything just a little bit. So with you're keeping the original struts, you're keeping the original differential, you're keeping everything except the rear shocks, obviously. You're lowering the front cross members, which lowers your control arms and basically keeps a better angle. And rough country offers exactly what you need to be able to get basically your basic setup on a lift kit. So I'll tell you right off the bat, I drive a daily stock truck, and I mean, it feels smooth. And so far, this feels very, very similar. Obviously, you're sitting a lot higher up, so you can feel a little bit more of the travel length. And there's absolutely no ride compromises whenever you go with the lift kit like this. You'll still be able to do everything you do in your normal truck on your daily driving. This isn't something that you have to necessarily only drive on the weekends. Like I said, this is a daily driving type of setup. Something that you don't have to go too big, it's not too small. In my opinion, this is like a perfect setup for somebody that wants to have a lifted truck, but they don't want to obviously ruin the ride quality of their truck. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little surprised of how well this drives. And again, a lot of the trick is in the tires. The fact that these have RT tires versus your, standard MT mud terrains that everybody goes with, you keep that smoother ride. It's not too much vibration. I mean, the steering wheel has little to no vibration, being that we're on a bumpy road right now. But overall, a 6-inch with 35s and a 20x10 setup is basically your ideal setup. In my opinion, this is the go-to whenever you want somebody, or when somebody wants a lifted truck, but they don't want to lose their ride quality. After a couple U-turns, like you've seen, there's absolutely no rubbing on this setup. So a 6-inch on 20x10s and 35-inch tires is going to be your ideal setup to keep your ride quality, make sure that you can take all those U-turns and turns without hearing a scrub or any rubs. So this full build was done in a one-day turnaround here at Cowboys Customs. This is something that we do on a daily basis. This is something that you can get set up with any of our sales staff at any time. Make sure you check us out at cowboyscustoms.com. Check us out on Instagram. Make sure you give us a like and subscribe on YouTube, and of course follow us on TikTok. Basically to get more builds, more trucks as we grow. So make sure you check us out at Cowboys Customs to get your setup today.